Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this loading screen on Canva. So I'm just going to select this one and I'm just going to make it into like a loading bar here. I'm also going to change the color of the background since I want this one to be white. So I'm just going to select the corner rounding first. Rounding. Sorry. And I'm just going to copy and paste that, and I'm going to select like a lighter pink, and I'm just going to make it smaller than the loading screen, of course. Select this, go to animate, and select the wipe one. And make sure the speed is slower, so I'm just going to slide it to the left. Or does it really? It doesn't really matter, honestly. And here you can grab your text and type in loading. I'm just going to place it here. If you want to add like a thing in front, you can, like a battery loading thing. You can do that. Just going to adjust it so it's not super round. Like this maybe. And I'm just going to select a white color for the text. Going to animate, and I'm going to select the, was there a breathe one? If there was, you can use that, or it's not a loop though. Oh, let's just use the flicker one. And make it super fast. And that is it. You can just play that. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.